All right, guys, here we go. We are getting into some hurricane prep. If you weren't aware, here in Florida, we are prepping for a Category 4 to Category 5 Milton. We've got to get some things done today. The truck is dead. That's the main thing we're going to be doing today. We've got to get the cars organized, get the truck hooked up to the trailer so the trailer doesn't blow away. But like I said, the truck's dead. It needs a jump start. Don't forget to subscribe to the driver mod. We've got a lot of cool stuff on the channel, a lot of wide varieties of content. We're gonna be demoing a product for you here on the channel in this video. And our hurricane prep is gonna be just fine, all thanks to Antigravity batteries. We've got a wide variety of their products. We've got their power station. This is capable of charging all sorts of devices, full AC, sine wave, high speed, USB, USB-C, DC, 12-volt cigarette lighter, and you can charge it via your regular outlet on your wall, or it's got a car charger as well. It's also got wireless charging, nice carrying handle, awesome, and it's got this light bar. You turn it on, and you know, we might need that when we lose power here over the next 24 to 48 hours. We've also got their portable air compressor and jump starter. This is their MicroStart XP15, and it also has a built-in light bar. It's got, so you can use it as a flashlight, SOS and strobe functions, use it as a multimeter, portable storage device. Again, we're gonna need that probably over the next 24 to 48 hours. And then the main product we're gonna be showing you today is the most powerful jump starter that they offer, their XP20 HD portable jump starter. Again, built-in light, strobe light, SOS function, but we're gonna be using this today to jumpstart the 6.0 diesel Ford Power Stroke. Now the XP20 HD is good to jumpstart up to an 8-liter gas or diesel engine, and the instructions on how to use it, very simple, and they're printed on the back, as well as a breakdown there of the stats, specs, and if you were to get any error messages, what those error messages mean. But we're running out of time now, let's get to it. First things first, let's actually show you that it's actually dead. All right, there you go, click, click, click. Go ahead and get the hood popped. All right, and if you weren't aware, a lot of these Ford diesels, they actually have two 12-volt batteries. So we're gonna need two batteries more than likely, but we just gotta get it started running so we can move it around and hook up the trailer and make some run to the parts store and that kind of stuff. So, all right, so it's very simple. Black cable, it's gonna go to your negative terminal. Now it does not matter which battery you hook up to. They're both hooked up in series together. So we're gonna go and do that. And you can see on the display, 100% state of charge. We're ready to start. Now, once we start it, we're gonna wanna get this off the truck after we jump start within 30 seconds. That's just to prevent any sort of damage from the voltage from the alternator going back up into the jump starter. It's not made to be charged like that. It has a USB-C cable charging port on the side, but let's go ahead and get this started so we can get on with our hurricane prep. Let's fire up. Let it prime a little bit. All right. Holy crap. Holy crap. Did you hear how fast that thing cranked up? Oh man, that thing. Oh. Jeez. You'd think we put brand new batteries in it. Oh my gosh. All right, like I said, we gotta get this thing off as soon as possible, within 30 seconds. Look at that, we went from 100%, one charge attempt took 11%. Definitely check out the description below. Go to antigravity.com. Check out their lineup of lithium powered devices. They've got everything from, like you saw, portable jump starters, power stations, tire inflators. They've got solar panels. They've got deep cycle batteries. Use promo code TDM10 and save 10% off your purchase at Antigravity batteries. Now, let's get to hurricane prep.